Everybody knows about the massive potential in Bangladesh. We are enjoying a demographic dividend, but this dividend is not going to last forever. We need right investment, technological know-how, and most importantly, upskilling our huge talent base. What success we have seen under DataBard with Rhythmic and also ShareTrip is very, very encouraging. It's a phenomenal success. I'm really excited to see DataBard grow and flourish in Bangladesh, advance the technological know-how, bring in the right investment, and most important of all, helping our young generation to fulfill their dreams. From my capacity, every help that I can provide to DataBard for its success will be available. Let's hope that DataBard makes a wave in Bangladesh and a lot of others can also follow. Best of luck, guys. I wish you all the best and thank you for having me.